guys ever hear a lightning with open headers? That's what it sounds like. It's a 4 lightning with open headers. It sounds good too. SVT4 lightning all the way out of Alabama, guys. Hey, tell them to rev it a couple of times. All right, that's what it sounds like with open headers. Check it out, guys. We got a beautiful lightning in here. Is there lightning in here? No, it's the truck. I thought I heard some lightning. Kapow! Just wait till you hear it start. That's when the real lightning begins. Rare truck, you don't see these no more. Mid-length headers or short tube headers, there and there. Then it's gonna be a drag truck for them, so no cats, as you guys can see there. On this side, on this side. Then custom white pipe there. And 2, a Borla ATAK muffler. And then 3-inch pipe out the back, side exit right there. All right, there's the Borla ATAK. And part number on that is 400844. There'll be a link in the description. All right, so stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And here's what it looks like on the side, right there. Tell you guys, this lightning is clean. It's only got 49,000 miles on it. For a 2000, that's insane. Look at that, beautiful. There's the 2-tone interior, SVT. All right, stay tuned. The tip looks so good on it, the Tommy tip. There'll be a link in the description for it too, guys. Wow. Borla ATAK. Wow, that sounds so good. It'd be a perfect race truck. Give it gas. Get you guys sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 12. Ford Lightning. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. If this guy can come from Alabama, you guys can come from anywhere. We get them from all over. We've got pins on our map from every state. So again, thank you guys, and we appreciate everything you guys do for us. Greatly, greatly appreciated. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. I'm gonna have him drive it down the road just so you guys can hear it drive off on it, because it sounds so good. Ford Lightning. They upgraded the brakes on it too. Borla ATAK, full system on a Ford Lightning. That sounds perfect. Enjoy, guys.